Analyzing Iran-Israel tensions in wider diplomatic perspective. Recently you may have heard about the tensions between Iran and Israel. The world is looking at it with greater seriousness. The tensions between Middle Eastern, Semitic nations is a habitual thing. Both always remain at opposite poles, can't attain a permanent calmness. Remember, Iran is not an Arab country like other Islamist nations like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Kuwait, etc. Israel a Jewish nation, both of them having ideological differences, and they both have ambitions to dominate the Middle Eastern provinces. Iran does this by indirect action on dealing with the politics of other Islamist nations, situated around Middle Eastern province. Say for example Jordan, Iran, Lebanon, Palestine, Egypt etc. The geography of Israel is they are like alienated Jewish ideology surrounded by propagating Islamist ideological influences. A sense of fear psychologically speaking is always in the mind of both these nations. Politically speaking, take the historic spiritual environment. Israel as a state, gradually flourished on these areas. The teachings of the Jewish rabbis on one side and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad on the other side. Both always in clash for power politics and the fear of aggression. Politicians say after the Nazi torture of Israelis in their post-atonement days, Jewish people started buying the lands of Middle Eastern regions. They consider it of greater spiritual significance. Iran's and Israelis' spiritual forefathers rests in these regions. It's where from which Christianity has its roots. These have greater spiritual significance on Quran, Bible and Torah, holy books. That means it's not a selfish ambition for fertile lands, where milk, honey, dates flows along the banks of river Euphrates, but Middle Eastern politics has greater spiritual significance. These people says, whether it's Iranians or Israelites, their Messiah, Allah comes to this place, a holy city of Jerusalem, during end times. Comparing the military might of nations, Iran has hypersonic nuclear capabilities and Israel has modern military innovations. Both of them if comes face to face, world's condition can become deplorable. That is what West fears. West Occidental nations and American ambitions are they want supremacy influence, as well as conflict-free regions. Concluding, these are simply ideological leadership clashes, recent happenings of terrorist jihadist dominant politics, clash over the resource instabilities, lack of effective divide and rule politics, of Uno and Messiah, Allah, Mahdi coming testings. But keep this in mind, these spiritual books are still surviving the test of time. That means till the spiritual idea persists, there is no end to their problem. The only solution is drafting fear-free ideas for them. Triggering of any kind can lead nuclear outbreak among the Christian Jewish dominant nations and Islamist nations. Those supporting the Israel and those supporting the Iran. Embassy conflicts, killing of Qasem Soleimani and military experts, Palestinian problem can drift the world into possible nuclear apocalypse. Next thing is after seeing all these incidents, spiritual fanatics are thrilled, expecting the arrival of their Redeemer. The problem is whether it's science, or it's economics, politics or history, these are inseparable from spiritual ionic makeover of humans.